Watch me shine, walking by faith one day at a time. That's so chef. Living with purpose, God's timing always working for us. From the highs to the lows, still the light in me glows. That's so chef. Can't you see, I'm becoming who I'm destined to be.
Hey guys, hey, welcome back to another vlog. If you're new here, hi, my name is Chevelle. You can call me Chev. Welcome to That's So Chev. And to all my returning subscribers, hey guys, hey. Today is Wednesday. Today's Wednesday. I'm just here working. I was on the road and then we came home. Hubby and I had to take care of something real quick. But I'm back home now. I was going to take you guys on the road with me, but I had not been feeling well all morning. I've had like the worst migraine for the past couple days, and I have not been feeling good. I have a vlog that I'm supposed to be posting. I was supposed to post that from Monday, and I have not posted that yet because I cannot manage like the lights and everything, and a lot is going on. Life is currently kind of lifing right now, and I'm just like having a difficult time managing everything, but we move. So yeah, I'm gonna try and edit that vlog and post it today, but in the meantime we got some unboxing to do. So as you guys know, Father's Day is coming up, and also my son's graduation, Jamil's graduation, is coming up. So a few things in here are both graduation and Father's Day stuff. So gotta take a little screenshot. So let's see, what's the first thing we're gonna open? All right. What is this? Oh, okay. So as you guys know, I'm on my makeup journey, right? So I bought some, what do you call these again, guys? Yeah. So I bought some pads and some sponges. So like a variety. It's like a variety of them in there. So you know your girl's on her makeup journey, and I wanted to get some stuff to add to my. Oh, it's 3. I didn't know it was 3 of them. Then I could have gotten 3 different ones. Oh my gosh. All right, so this is NYX Butter Gloss. Remember I was saying I wanted like a more pinkier lippy. Oh my gosh, it's 3 of them. Read guys, read. I did not read. So I got 3 of them. She Glam Color Bloom Liquid Blush in the color Petal Top. And then I got this palette. So the makeup girlies who are watching me, just let me know. You know, I got Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette. So this is medium to dark. So this would be the contour, this would be to sculpt, and then this would be to highlight. So, but is this powder? It's cream, right? Is it cream or is it powder? It looks like powder. But if it's powder, then I'm gonna have to get cream. It feels like powder. All right. Yeah, so got that. We got a NYX The Face Glue Gripping Primer. Got that. And then I got a NYX Professional Makeup Lip Pencil. What color is this in? Because my other one is almost finished. I don't know what color this is in. Espresso. In the color Espresso. I know what this is. All right, so currently I am wanting the boys to do a lot more stuff where, we're calming down their energy. We have like a quiet time. We have a little downtime, stuff like that. So I bought them some puzzles. So this has 60 pieces. It has airports. It has boats, ambulances. It has vehicles. Yeah. Love that. So when they come home, so I bought Play-Doh the other day. I bought paint. Went to a wholesale the other day, bought Play-Doh, bought paint, stuff like that. Stuff to keep them, mellow. All right, remember my blue heels? So being like how I'm going to be wearing the blue heels and the blue bag, shouldn't my husband and the children have blue too? And she was like, oh yeah. So this is Daddy's tie. That's Daddy's tie. So I want to buy more activities for them to do. Because as you guys know, my kids are not tablet kids. They have tablets, but the only time they use their tablets is when we go on the road. Otherwise, from that, they don't use tablets. They only use their tablets when we go on the road. Oh, Shein, why am I so extra? Look, Shein, look what Shein do. Look, all of that. It's cray. All right, so whatever you do liquid with, you gotta get the powder. I'm hoping that it is powder. So, liquid, powder. Hoping that it's powder. So hopefully I can give you guys like a little, this should be the boys' ties. All right, so blue tie and blue suspenders. Yeah. So two of that. Ugh. Okay. So for Father's Day is a big thing in this household. So I bought like a stencil. So it's gonna say, I'm gonna make something for breakfast and then I'm gonna put the sugar and then I can choose one of these, what I want to put, right? So like it's gonna be Father's Day. So this can be can be for any occasion. So also I would leave this around for my husband. So in the event he makes me breakfast and he wants to make the breakfast a little extra special, you have a little extra special message to put on the breakfast. All right, so remember I told you guys about the puzzles. So another set of puzzles. All right, so this is a high-end trophy customization. So the boys are going to give their daddy this. This has been on my mind from last year, to get him from last year. So it says, best dad, thank you for being such an important part of my life. Should I have gotten two? It's heavy. It's really, really heavy. It's really heavy. So got this off Amazon. I'll link it in my storefront. So in the event anyone wants to give their baby daddy or their husband or your brother or your cousin or anybody, it's in my storefront. All right. I have two boys. This is needed. Like Jamil, I need to change Jamil's name. Jamil need to change his name to Cut Up. Drop every minute. The amount of cuts and bruises that are on Jamil from falling is crazy. So I made sure to buy a first aid kit and put down. Not sure really what's in there. I just know it's a first aid kit and I just needed a first aid kit. I didn't really look on the instructions. I didn't look on the thing to see what is in there. Now, how do I open you? If I have strength to open you. Oh. Okay. So there's a lot of things in here. This makes me feel like a mom now. This makes me feel like a mom. What is this? Oh, eye wash, adhesive tape, a whole lot of Band-Aid. That's really why I bought it, because I wanted the Band-Aid. Antiseptic towelettes, burn gel, burns, scabs, sunburn, scrapes. What else? Cotton tipped applicator, gloves, gauze, non-adherent pads. Oh man, this go on, man, this boom down. This go on with itself. Cold compress pads, alcohol pads. Yeah. This bad. This. Yeah. Needed this. Listen, every mommy needs a a first aid kit at home. Like, I felt so bad every time my kids got a boo-boo. I didn't have a Band-Aid. And I didn't have anything to cover, you know? Yeah. So now I feel a whole lot better that I have one of these. I feel like a mom now. I feel like a mom. Okay? Now, this is a breakfast tray. You ever watch when, somebody get breakfast breakfast in bed? Yeah, I've been wanting one of these. I'm glad he's not here to see the packages, because I wouldn't have been able to, So, this is the tray. So big it is. I feel like I would want it bigger, but I think it's fine. You're in the bed, and you have this. You have your pancake and your eggs, your juice, your tea, and put his little trophy and everything. Yeah, top daddy. So that's my unboxing, guys. That is my unboxing. If I feel better later, I'll give you guys a little makeup thing there later. Hey guys, good evening. So everybody just got home, and they got home in such a perfect timing, because they got home when I finished my makeup. Once again, practicing. I think I found my perfect shade. My perfect shade is in the LA Pro Girl foundation. Yeah, I found it in that shade. Where are these wasps? Not even where are they coming from? They're building nests outside. These wasps are building nests on the outside of our kitchen window, and then so they are constantly coming in the kitchen, so I have to keep this on deck. But yeah, I just finished my makeup. How did I do? I have on blush, I have on contour, I have on everything, and this is in natural lighting with a little bit of light in my kitchen. So I'm gonna go to the kitchen, do a little bit. The hair is a mess. The hair wants to do, but this is it. How did I do, guys? I feel like the lippy. Can you guys tell me where I can, for the girlies that wear makeup all the time, right? Where can I get like the lippy that is like well bright, like pink, the nice pink lippy? Yeah, where can I get that? What color shade is that in? I use NYX for all of the lippies that I have so far. Remember I gave you guys a haul of the lippies that I have? Yeah, so I use NYX. And I feel like maybe this is the perfect lip liner for me, because when I use other browns, they are practically the shade of my lips already, so they're not showing up. I could have used a little under eye not concealer, under eye liner, but yeah, this is me. How did I do, guys? How did I do? The contour is contouring because I can see it. The contour is contouring because I can see it. The blush, the Shein blush, when I use the liquid, I thought it would be very pigmented and it would show up, but it was barely showing, so I just used another wasp just flying. So I just used the powdered blush alone and do it, and I think it did the job. And then I put contour under here, so contour here, contour under here, and contour up here, and then I put the powder on it, because wherever you put the liquid, you gotta put the powder. The girl is learning, okay? She's learning, yeah, man. But yeah, how did I do? 10 out of 10. I'm hoping hubby's not too tired to carry me to the grocery store, or I may have to go by myself to buy all the things that I need to buy, and I have to go a distance because the grocery store that is near me, they don't have everything that I need, so I may have to drive and go a distance, but I'll let you guys know what we're doing. So we are at the supermarket. What do I want to get? Honestly, guys, if I tell you I know what I wanted to buy, I'd be telling you a lie. Oh no, I do know what I want to buy. Alright, so I want to get some fruit. They have strawberries. They have what I want, chat. Are you guys proud of me? I came outside in the makeup that I did. Are you guys proud of me? Alright, let me show you guys. So I want to get some fruits. Remember, tomorrow is Father's Day, so I want to get some fruits. I don't know what else to get. Like for dinner, I don't know what I'm gonna do for dinner. But I wonder if I forget them sliced fruits here. I don't know. I think I pretty much have everything I need at home, but I just want to make sure. So I want to get him a coffee because I usually normally make like a coffee. All the best cafes are done. Oh my gosh. All the best. Oh no, they're not. I'm not used to them Nescafe. I'm not used to them here. I have been wanting the Moonlight Breeze game. It smells so good. We can't find it nowhere. They have it here, but they don't have it in the booster. They don't have it in this. That is what I really wanted it in. So I'm really gonna get it in this. So I'm coming and I take up things more than 1 minute to take off. Chat, talk to me, talk to me, talk to me. I think that's it. So I can't find the meat that I wanted. Can't find the meat that I want, so I'm just gonna have to work with what I have at home. Yeah, I'm gonna have to work with what I have at home. Guys, they have the pink stuff. Multi-purpose cleaner. I'm wondering if I should buy it. I found it. I found the Moonlight Breeze. But it's the big buckle. It's a big buckle. Alright, I'm gonna come out to that place here because if not continue, then I'll spend more than what I want. What I need to spend. So I think I have everything. I have the fruits, I have the egg, I have the strawberries, I have the whipped cream. Yeah, I have everything. Maple syrup is at home. Yeah, I think the only thing I wanted was that pancake mix, but I can make the pancake mix at home. So yeah, I think I have everything. Let's go and check out. Remember to mind fingers.
Okay.
Turn it over.
Okay.
Right, take another one.
Yeah.
Take a big one.
Perfect!
Remember, you have a knife in your hand. Be careful. Mind fingers. Mind fingers. You got it. Nice. Nice. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Welcome back to another day in the vlog. Happy Father's Day to your husbands, to your baby daddies, to your brothers, to your anybody who's special to you. Happy Father's Day. And if you're a gentleman and you're watching my vlog, happy Father's Day. Happy belated Father's Day. So as you guys saw, Ashani and I are here picking up strawberries for Daddy's breakfast. Daddy has gone to pick up his mommy from the airport, so we are trying to hurry to sort out breakfast because we also have church to go to. So yeah, listen, doing this with AJ is really hard because he wants to be a part of everything, and I'm used to just being in the kitchen by myself, doing things by myself, and he wants to be a part of it all. So it's quite hard. I do try to have them help me sometimes, but because they want to do their own thing when they come in, I don't. But I think get them used to like routine, or get them used to doing stuff like this and knowing the structure, I need to have them come in the kitchen more. And they want to do these things, but because I am a mommy that loves to do things by herself, I do things by myself. Literally want to burst into tears because this breakfast has not been going the way how I wanted it to. I was supposed to make cinnamon and sugar, right, to put onto the bread. You know what I did? I made cayenne pepper and sugar. Okay, the bread was not folding. Okay, I had to stop making for TikTok because I feel overstimulated. I feel angry. I feel every feeling that because it's not going the way how I want it to go, right? And you remember how I told you guys about this, right? To spray the thing on, the sugar on. It's not doing. I guess it's better I did it on like pancake or something, but it's not doing it on the French toast, and it's pissing me off. So this was the other thing that wasn't going right, and literally on the verge of crying, because I want him to look on him breakfast and say, wow. You know them way there? Yeah. I want him to look on him breakfast and say, wow, baby, you put your heart into this. Because I really did. I really, really did. The cafe blue.
Not even cafe blue breakfast no nice. I imagine you just spend 5 minutes in a supermarket and look for where you go.
Mommy, you got poop in this.
Okay, we come take it up. Imagine if you open one Chevy blue. If you ever open one Chevy blue, you can feel. I'm telling you, I'm not tired. I think cooking is a talent. You love this?
Yes.
No?
I told you I love it. I just don't like doing the same thing all the time.
A good thing you have to do everything all the time because there are different things to do all the time. But I have to get a custom made work. I have to quick up the elevator in the house.
Oh, whatever. So this is the hair. The hair is tea. The hair is growing. Okay, the hair is thriving. My hair. So everybody's clothes is ironed and ready for graduation tomorrow. But like I was saying, clothes, everything is practically ready. Shoes is ready. Everything is ready. I am planning to do my makeup tomorrow. I am hoping that I do it good. I am planning to do my makeup tomorrow, so I'm hoping that that comes out really, really good. But yeah, I'm excited. My son is graduating. Okay, even though it's just going to grade 1, it is like words can't explain how excited I am about this new journey that he is about to embark on. Yeah, I'm just really, 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 really proud of my boys. Both of them did really well. I'm super excited for the two of them and this new journey that we're all about to go on, which is this new school. So, as you guys know, you'll be here on the journey with me, the good, the bad, and the ugly. But may I chat off on the ears? So, I will talk to you guys.
Eat up, my son. Look like one of them hot gym mama there.
Hey guys, so this is the outfit of the day. Can you guys see? Can you see the shoes? Can you see the shoes? How do you guys like my outfit? Take your time, Jamil. Take your time. Take your time. Go, baby, go. Ooh, go, Papa, go. Nice. Good job. Good night, guys. Good night. You see my mash up? You see my face, Eiley? Oh my gosh. Oil. AJ! Okay, hurry up. It's bedtime. Guys, so I've been home for a little, well, no, I just got home actually. My face, you see it? The makeup lasted all day, but yeah, look over here. I think the reason why this happened was because I put makeup on and then I put the setting spray on and then I put makeup on after I put on the setting spray, so I think that's why that happened. Let me put these boys to bed and come back.
That's so chef, purpose of oppression.